Hi there, welcome back to part 16 of going through a junk jewelry jar haul. First thing we have in this video is a cute little teacup pin. I will be keeping that. I will probably take that back off. This piece here, there's a whole bunch of these in this jar. I think it was part of a necklace or something. I'll keep that. I'll be able to use that for something. Next is this necklace with these strings of beads on it. I'm not a fan. The purple ones, actually the coloring is coming off. So those are definitely junk that I'll be throwing away. I don't think I'll be keeping the rest of them. Then we have these faux pearl beads on this necklace. The necklace itself is broken. The beads are very weighty. They need cleaned really badly. So I will put those in a bowl with some soap and water and clean them up. But I wasn't sure in this video if I was keeping them, but I do end up keeping them. Then we have this broken necklace with these sort of blue teal beads. It is obviously broken, but I like the beads, so we'll be keeping those. And in my past videos, I've talked about how I end up color coding my beads. So, for now, I've just been putting them in these containers. And then later when I'm done going through these particular jars, I'll put the beads by color. It just makes it easier when I'm making jewelry. So I can, if I know I need blue beads, I can look in a bin that's got blue beads in it. Then we've got this funky mustache ring in fluorescent orange. It's cute. I won't be keeping it, but I wanted to show you because I think it's funny. Then we have this really pretty snowflake pin. It is missing one of the rhinestones, but I'm not too concerned with that. All right, bye.